12 ways to get the daily value of zinc?
Ranking from least amount of the food that you would have to eat by weight, so how many grams of that food to hit the daily value of zinc, all the way to most, and choosing for this list some of the absolute best food sources of zinc, and making sure to include some vegan food sources of zinc on this list so that there's something here for everybody. Now, number one is probably no surprise, it's oysters. It would take just a little bit over an ounce of oyster to hit the daily value of zinc. That would translate to about 2.5 medium-sized Eastern oysters and like not even 3/4 of a Pacific oyster because they're big boys. Number two is hemp seeds. 110 grams, that's about 11 tablespoons, would get you the daily value of zinc. Number three is cocoa powder. 162 grams, that's a little shy of 2 cups, would get you the daily value of zinc. Number four is wild rice. 2 1/3 cups cooked would get you the daily value of zinc. Number five is mature soybeans. 1.2 cups, that'll be about the same whether you measure it raw or cooked, will get you your zinc. Number six is beef. 229 grams will get you your daily value of zinc. That's about 2 1/3 servings. Number seven is Swiss cheese. 9.2 slices will get you your daily value of zinc. Number eight is crab. 264 grams will get you their daily value of zinc, which is about 1.5 Alaskan king crab legs. Nine is durum wheat. It would take 1.4 cups worth to get the daily value of zinc. Number 10 is European anchovies canned in oil. It would take about a pound of them or 113 anchovies to get a day's worth of zinc. Number 11 is plain skim milk yogurt. 4.6 cups worth will get you your daily value of zinc. And number 12 is coconut cream. It would take 4.8 cups to get a day's worth of zinc. Now, importantly, I am not recommending you eat 113 anchovies or 9 slices of cheese per day or 2 cups of unsweetened cocoa powder. But rather, this is an interesting illustration of the concentration difference of zinc in different foods and really highlights the value of shellfish, especially oysters. And if you would like to know even more ways to get your daily zinc, head on over to Nutrivore.com, tap on nutrients, tap on zinc. While you're there, you can learn about all of the amazing ways that getting enough dietary zinc supports our health, how much we need, problems from too much and too little, and all of the best food sources are listed at the bottom of that article. And you'd probably also really enjoy my top 25 foods for every nutrient ebook. So check that out while you're on the site too.